Very good morning to all of you, dears. So, my dears, yesterday in our class, we have discussed about notice. So, what is the importance of notice? So, we know that notice is very important. Okay, and we make notice to inform a big group a big group of people, a big group of students. Okay, we use notice especially in school, colleges, universities, and government offices. Okay, where we want to inform to a large number of people or group or students together. So notice plays very vital role, okay, in school life, in our school life. You know that when we student, uh, when we join school in early morning, so first we notice, okay, first we see the notice, okay, because we wanted to know that what is going on and what will be going on, okay, in forthcoming days in school, okay. So we should prepare for it, okay. So notice every day uh, we have given instruction in our school or colleges everywhere to watch notice, okay. When you join a school, you had to watch notice, okay. And at the time of leaving, at the time of joining, okay, we should be used to, okay, we used to watch notice, okay. Because if something is about to happen, okay, in a school, if if is there any competition in forthcoming days, or if is there any uh, meeting, okay, in forthcoming days, so it is impossible, okay, it is impossible to inform each and every students, okay, individually, okay. It takes much time, so it is better to watch on notice board, okay. So that's why notice plays a very important role, okay, in informing students, in informing people in government offices, school, colleges, and university. So we'll see how to write notice. Okay, notice should be brief. Okay, not lengthy. Okay, and not use more than 50. Not your words not exceed more than 50 words. You should keep the notice in box always. No need to use personal pronoun. Okay, I, me, you, and you have to use third person pronoun, okay. And while you are making notice, so you use passive voice, okay. Your format should be in passive voice, okay. Then you see a notice is there on your screen. And first, if we talk about points, okay, so how to prepare notice, keep the notice in box number one, okay. And there should be limit of wordings. So as per your seventh standard, you need how many words, okay, you need 50 words, okay. Means your words should not out of 50 words, okay, should not exceed out of 50 words. Then if we talk about the first heading, okay, uh, first we have to write the name of institution, school, or organization, okay, in capital letter. Then we notify notice, okay. Then the second heading will be notice in capital letter. We talk about third heading, so third heading will be about time, okay. And we mention time left hand side, okay. And just watch the way of writing time, okay. No need to write in slash or in dash, okay. You see, we have to write in which order, you can see, okay. 20 January 2014. So we keep the date first, okay. Then we keep month, and after month, year, okay. Just put a comma, okay, in between year and month, okay. So this is the proper way to write date, okay. We should use it. And number four, we we mention the concern topic, the heading, which we have been asked, okay, which we have been asked. So we concern that, okay, means we write, okay, we write the heading, okay. We write the heading on fourth place, and in block letter, okay. In block letter, first letter can be capital, then all small, okay. So it is important to know about, okay, and we'll see some guidelines for writing the notice. Okay, we can see the guideline. Number one, notice always kept in box. Okay, we write notice in box. Number two, and not to exceed 50 words, not exceed 50 words. Keep 50 words, okay, for the notice, not more than 50. And you should mention clearly the cause of notice. Okay, no need to write over or extra things. Okay, first we should notify the cause, okay, which we have been asked. Okay, cause. Okay, and just inform clear everything, just inform clear, accurate, lucid and concise. Means write important thing, okay, which you had been asked, and write clearly, okay, write accurately. Okay, then number four, you must inform about what, when, where. Okay, what, when, where. What means what is going on in forthcoming days. What will be going on? You should write that. Okay. Number two, when. When means you should just notice the time. Okay, you have to write timing. Okay, you should write time. Okay, there, on which day. Okay, on which date. Okay, and time, at what time. Okay, and if we talk about the last, so what, when, where means venue, the place. Okay, where they had to come. Okay, place. And we should not use personal pronoun. Instead of personal pronoun, use third person pronoun. Okay, and use always passive voice. Okay, keep your sentence in passive voice. So it was the guideline. Okay, today we'll deal some of notices. Okay, important notices we are going to see for your exam. Number one, you are Abhijit Bose. Okay, you are a school captain of any school. Okay, like Don Bosco school. You are being asked by the principal. Means the principal sir ask you to draft a notice. Ask you means tell you. Okay, say to you. Principal sir say to you to make a notice. Okay, and in notice, need to invite all the prefect. All the prefect means all the head boy and captain to attend a meeting. Okay, on a school election means there is election in a school. Okay, there is election in a school in the forthcoming days. Okay, so before the election, we must meet one time. The prefects, captain, and the principal just meet before the meeting. Okay, for what? For preparation of election. How to prepare for election. So there is a meeting before election. Okay, elections are coming in forthcoming days. Okay, so it must to meet. Okay, it must be meeting there. So that's why principals are asked to captain to call a meeting, okay, of all the prefect. Okay, so he wanted to talk about forthcoming election. So write a notice, given relevant detail. Okay, so it is a notice for meeting. Okay, notice for meeting. In if suppose you have a school, if you are studying in a school, or in the school there is election of students. Okay, so before the election you must meet one time. Okay, your captain, head boys, prefect, and principals are meet one time for what? For instruction, for giving instruction how to prepare for how to conduct election in school. So okay, then you make a notice. Okay, number one, write the name of organization, institution. Okay, first point, Don Bosco School, Alaknanda. Okay, this first heading, okay, in capital letter. Second heading, notice. Okay, just make a heading, notice, in capital letter. Number three, you can check left hand side, date. Okay, how to write date. What way, in what way? 20 January 2014. You see, uh, first we mention date in figures. Okay, then we use month. Okay, so we write month, then comma, then year in figure. So we have to write that. Okay, date, month, year in proper order. No need slash or dash. Okay. Then fourth heading, about the concerned topic. Okay, which you had been asked. Okay, the concerned topic. Okay, in block letters, discussing for the coming election, means you are going to discuss for the coming election. That's why you call notice. That's why you call meeting in notice. Okay. So this is to inform all the prefect. This is to inform all the prefect. Means in notice to inform all the prefect, all the head boy and captain that a meeting. There is a meeting being scheduled. Okay. Means there is a meeting take place. Okay, with the principal. So you are going to meet with whom? You are going to meet with principal. For what? What is the reason? To discuss the issue of forthcoming school election. Means you are going to discuss, you have a discussion. Okay. For what? For forthcoming school election. So the detail are follow. So for the meeting, there is a detail of meeting. Okay. Means you notify, you noticed. Okay. And you put the things in notice, how we are going to conduct the meeting. Okay. So the detail are follow. Number one, date. On what date, on which date there is a meeting? 24 January. What, when, where? So we mention already what. Okay, what is going to take place? A meeting is going to take place. Okay, what? Then now we talk about when. When means date. We mention date. 24 January 2014. Okay, there should be difference between, okay, the date you have mentioned on top. Okay, and the date you have mentioned for meeting. Okay, so 24 January timing. Okay, then you must tell about the time 11 onwards. Then where, what, when, where. Learn these three concepts. Okay, so where, venue, school auditorium. Okay, then it is mandatory. Okay, means it is must for all concerned. Means you all are concerned. Okay, so it is must for all of you, all the prefect, head boy and captain, to be present in the meeting. Okay, and if you have any query, if you have any doubt, so you can undersign. Okay, you can meet to school captain. Okay, who is the school captain? Abhijit Bose. You can meet Abhijit Bose. You see important points. If we talk about important points, so name of the institution. Yes, put the name of the institution. Okay. Number two, heading of the notice. Yes, we will write heading of the notice. Then issue to be discussed. Yes, very nice. Issue. The issue which we have been asked, which we had been asked, we must mention the issue. Then date, time, place, detail, designation of issuer. So remember all the things, my dear. Okay, so it was the notice for meeting. Next, notice for appeal warning. Okay, notice for appeal. So we appeal publicly, my dear. Learn one thing. Okay, we appeal publicly. Okay, we appeal publicly. So notice for appeal warning. Okay, so we'll see how we are noticing, how we make a notice for appeal or warning. Means it should be for public, and now we are talking, we warning, we want to society. That's why we write this notice for society. Okay, for social. Okay, so as the secretary of your housing society, so as the secretary of housing society, you are the secretary of housing society, draft a notice warning resident of the locality. Okay, so you should warn them, you should warn the residential, okay, the residents of your colony or locality, throwing garbage on a street in the open. Mention the necessary detail. So your colony person, okay, your colony man, and you have a society, and the residents of the society throwing garbage here and there, and they are making heap of the garbage everywhere. You should warn it. Okay, you should appeal to stop it. Okay, so it's a notice of warning. So write the name of the society first. Okay, first heading, write the name of the society first. Okay, Adharshila Housing Society, Pratapganj. Okay, I can write for my society possible, the Brasdham Colony. Okay, Adharshila Housing Society, Pratapganj. Okay, first you notified the first detail in capital letter. First heading in capital letter. Second heading notice, about notice in capital letter. Third heading will be your date, you mention date left hand side. Okay, in the bay you can see date in figure. Okay, date in number, then January, you write month. So date, month and year, and put a comma between year and month. Okay, and the fourth reading, the concern topic, okay, which you had been asked, which you are going to ask, the concern topic in block letters, my dear. Be responsible, keep your society clean. Yes, be responsible, then punctuation mark. Be responsible, then keep your society clean. Be responsible, keep your society clean. So okay, notice it has been noticed by the housing society. It has been noticed. Okay, so you are going to notice by housing society. Okay, that some residents, okay, not all, some residents are throwing garbage, litter on street and in the open, therefore damaging the society's green cover. Yes, it is happening. Okay, so the society is going to tell you, okay, the society of any colony, okay, the committee of any colony is going to notice you. Okay, for what? So they started, they're saying that, okay, some of the member of the society, some of the residents of the society are throwing their waste in open. They are making the heap of garbage in the open. Okay, and therefore it damage. Okay, it is damaging the society's greenery. Okay, it is damaging the society's green belt. Yes. So then what? So it is the concern. It is, we show the cause. Okay, what is going on? We show what is going on. What? Okay, then the management has decided now. Okay, because we need the proper detail mentioned in notice. Huh? No need to write additional things. So the management has decided to impose a severe penalty. Okay, so it is need a penalty to put on people. Okay, who is doing so, who is making heap of the garbage in open and damaging green belt of colony. Okay, so the management has decided to impose a ban, to impose a penalty of 5,000 rupees. Yes, if you are doing so, so you will, you have to pay 5,000 rupees. You will be charged 5,000 rupees as penalty. Okay, on, okay, on the offender. If you are defaulter, if you are offender, if you are doing, if you are throwing the garbage, okay, litter of bin, and you are making heaps of garbage, you are damaging the society's greenery or green belt. So you are offender. Okay, you are offender. So it means you must paid 5,000 rupees. You are charged 5,000 rupees as penalty. Okay, the resident are therefore requested to cooperate. So that's why we are going to request. Okay, the resident, you see, they use passive voice. So do not use personal pronoun, use passive voice always, use third person pronoun always in notice. Okay, so the residents are therefore requested to cooperate. Okay, means the society person are requested to cooperate. You must cooperate, otherwise you are charged 5,000 rupees. Okay, then last, for further information, please contact the undersigned. Who is undersigned? Who is responsible? Who is president? Anbi Gupta. Then name of the society. So if you have any doubt, if you have further information to collect, so just meet to undersigned person, meet to responsible person. So it was the notice of notice for appealing or warning. Okay. Then see third notice. Notice for event or competition. There is a competition going on in a school. Okay. There is a competition about to come to your school, so you should notice for event and competition. And it happens in a school all the time. Huh? The competitions are there. So you are Radhika, you are the head of social science club. Okay, social science club. So write a notice informing a student elementary classes about the forthcoming model making competition. Okay, model making competition to be held in the school. Okay, there is a competition, model making competition in school. So for it you need a meeting. Okay, you need to, you need to inform the students for model making competition. Okay, so you write, first you write the name of the school. Okay, you have to mention the name of organization or school in capital letter, then second heading notice, then third heading date in left hand side, number 4 fourth heading about the concerned topic in block letters. Okay, so name of the school, then notice, then time, okay, sorry, date, left hand side, then model making competition means the concern heading, then you start. Okay, the social science club is pleased to inform all the students of class 6 to 8, means school's social science club, okay, is very pleased, very happy to inform, okay, very merry to inform all the students of class 6 to 8. Okay, we are going to inform the students of 6 to 8. Okay, so why why we please, what is going on? So a model making competition is going to be organized by the school. Okay, in that you are going to make models, you can make models. Okay, you have to build models in that competition. Okay, so the detail are follow. Okay, number one, date, on what date? 29 January. Okay, then means what, when, where. Okay, so what is going on, what will be going on, you already mentioned there is a competition. Okay, for what? The competition is relevance to model making. Okay, means you have to make model. Okay, then date, you mention date, you have to mention time. Okay, the particular time 11:30, not on not onwards, 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. This fixed time. Okay, to visit. Then venue, oh yes, must. Where? Venue, activity room, and the theme. Yes, we must mention about the theme, because there is a competition of model making. So on what subject, on which subject they had to submit the model. So the theme is renewable and non-renewable sources, means the conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. Okay, renewable and non-renewable, exhaustible and non-exhaustible, like that. Okay, then all the students are encouraged to participate. Okay, we are going to encourage you to participate, you must participate, huh? You show your zeal, you show your excitement and enthusiasm in competition. First three positions, then you declare the reward. Okay, because the reward also encourage the students to participate, to get participation in competition. So first three positions will be rewarded with cash prize of 1,000 each. You see, okay, if you are in 1 2 3 order, if you take your place in first three, okay, in between first three, so you will, okay, you will be rewarded by principal sir or by any dignitary person, 1,000 rupees. Okay. For further detail, you should contact undersigned. Who is undersigned? Radhika, the head is Social Science Club. Okay, 12th Arts A. Mention the name, mention the proper designation. Okay, and mention section. Okay. So it was all about today. We have seen, okay, notices, three notices, all the three notices important for your half yearly exam. So you should prepare notices. Okay, so you should learn notices, it will be your homework. Okay, and you should write down in your grammar of a copy. Thank you.